Hello and welcome to this Python video in which we are trying to draw the alphabet A and animate it using the turtle package or turtle library. So we import turtle in the first line. You got to install the library if it's not available on your machine already. Then we set the pen size, so t.pen size 50, and then we are saying that t.color is red, so we want to draw in red color. And let's start drawing the letter A. So the first thing which we do is to put the pen down. So we say t.pen down, which puts the pen down, and then we start drawing it. So we set the angle. I'm setting the angle to -65, and you would see what -65 does. And then I'm saying t.forward 400. So we want to draw a line which is 400. Did you see that the line actually went at an angle, -65 angle, but it quickly stopped. It just vanished. So if I put t.main loop in our command in the last line, you would see that the screen persists. So you can see the screen still going because it's running in a loop. So this is what we want. So let's move forward and try to complete this letter A. So we want to turn right by 135 degrees, and then we want to move forward by 400 so that we have a symmetrical A value or A. So let's run it, and you would see that it goes up, then it turns 135 and then brings it down by 400. So we have kind of an inverted V, and now we need to have a horizontal line to complete the A. But here's the trick. I'm just going to elaborate it more, I'm just going to change the color to blue so that you can see what's happening when it draws in a different color. And then we would have to come back. So we have gone to the edge, but then we want to come back by 150. So this is what happens. It goes down and goes up. So you can see that the blue color is distinctly shown there. And now we have to bring back a horizontal line. So we say turn right by 110 degrees. So our pen is facing in the right direction. And now we want to send it forward by 190. This is just by trial and error. I tried different values, and then I found that 190 completes the A. So this is what happens. So it looks good. And the last thing would be to remove this color because we don't want it. It's only for the explanation purposes. And if I run the complete script, you would get a perfect A. We can do the same thing for B, C, and all the alphabets in the capital letters. Capital letters are quite easy because normally they are straight lines. But if you really want to do small letters, then it's a bit tricky because then you have to really draw it bit by bit. We can explain that in different videos if there is interest in this. So I'll leave this video at this stage. Hope you found something practical and useful. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.